In this video, we're going to cover how to export your roster from the swimteam.us website back into Team Manager. So I'm already logged in as an administrator, and so I'm going to go to the site console, click the console tab, and then we're just going to hit the export roster icon here. And it's created the file automatically. It's in your documents page on your form, but right here you can go ahead and open it and save it. You don't have to open it, you can just save it to a location on your hard drive. You can see that it's got all your swimmers in here, and when I do File, Save As, I'm going to put it in a place that I'll be able to find it when I need to from Team Manager. So I'm going to go down to my temp directory, and a note that it adds the TXT. The way I did it, it adds the TXT extension. You really don't want that. That's going to be a problem. It's an SD3 format. And so if you change that to all files, make sure there's no .txt and save it. Okay. So the next thing we're going to do is run on over to Team Manager. And here I'm going to do an import. And I know this seems silly, but we're not going to import athletes, because if we tried to do that, it would not let us import a file with an extension of SD3. SD3 is a standard USA Swimming format, and HiTech does not let you import athletes using that format, but you can do meet results. And then down here, you'll have to change it from the results files to the SD3 format. And then I'm already in my temp directory, and so I'll just click on the file that was just created. And I'm going to check this checkbox, add new teams and athletes, and I'll hit OK. And you'll see that the import was successful. Quickly, we'll just go over to the athletes form. This is just my test database, so you'll notice some fairly odd names in here. However, the way it works is if it finds a match on the name and the age and birth date, it is not going to update that record. So whatever record you already have in Team Manager, if you export that same swimmer from the Swim Team US website into Team Manager, it is not going to update that swimmer. However, if it finds a name that it does not recognize, it will insert the swimmer as a new swimmer with their name and date of birth and gender and all of the information that you've had entered on the Swim Team US website. Hope that helps. Thanks.